In this video, I will be sharing a recipe that I use to make fire cider or spicy tonic. These are all of the ingredients that will be going into the mixture. So I've got some red onion, lime, ginger root, garlic cloves, chili peppers, habanero peppers, and horseradish root. I've also got some fresh lemongrass, which smells delicious. I've also got some tarragon, which is also very fresh and very potent. Here I will be just adding all of my ingredients into the mason jar. Now I'm going to start adding all of my spices. We've got some black peppercorn, also have some ground cinnamon, and I don't particularly measure. I kind of put in as much as I feel would taste good. I've also got some crushed rosemary. I've also got whole cloves. Then I will be adding the basil leaves. Now I'm gonna add ground mustard, and I feel the ground mustard really gives it a nice color, more than you can really taste it. Now I'm gonna add the chili lime seasoning. And I like my fire cider to be particularly spicy. I don't mind. I'm also gonna add in my African bird pepper, which is very spicy, but it is very flavorful and I enjoy it. Now I'm going to add ground turmeric. And like the ground mustard, I feel like it gives it a really nice color when it infuses together and you kind of get that golden color. Now I'm going to add in my chili peppers. As I stated before, I like my cider to be spicy, so I feel the chili peppers are a good addition to that. Here I'm just gonna add in my habanero peppers. I particularly like to put all of the hot peppers toward the top of my concoction, and they'll be last before I add in the apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna add in my tarragon as well. So once everything is in the jar, this is how it looks. It has, the layers, and you can pretty much see everything that is in the fire cider. Now I'm going to add some golden honey. I really don't have a favorite brand in particular. This is my first time trying this brand specifically, but I'm gonna add that to the top, and that will be the last ingredient that I will be adding into the fire cider before I begin to pour in the apple cider vinegar. Now I'm going to start adding my apple cider vinegar. I particularly like to use the Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. Since I've been making fire cider, that is the only apple cider vinegar that I personally like. And I will fill that all the way up to the top. Just make sure that everything is evenly coated and all of the ingredients are covered. And it looks so beautiful. You can see all of the colors and it's just a wonderful mixture. And this is the finished product. So now I'm going to cover it. Since my mason jars come with the metal top lids, I will add a layer of parchment paper just so there is no chemical reaction to the vinegar. I'm gonna let this one sit for a month and let all of the ingredients infuse together. Then I will strain it and it will be ready to drink. Thank you so much for watching.